Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, the challenges and the expectations become high when you are at the peak, says Mrs. Soma Mandal, Chairman, SAIL, to RSP Collective. And Karamveer Award function held at Repair Shop Electrical of SAIL RSP. Now the news in detail. RSP is doing extremely well on all fronts. However, the challenges and expectations become high when you are at the peak. We must not be content with our achievements. Let's strive further not only to sustain the momentum, but also to excel further in our every endeavor, said Mrs. Soma Mandal, Chairman, SAIL, while interacting with cross-sections of employees of different departments of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, on 2nd February 2021. Mr. Deepak Chattarat, CEO RSP, Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED P&A, and Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects with the additional charge of ED Works, accompanied her during the visit. Praising the employees of RSP for overcoming the COVID challenges with their deep resolve and commitment and simultaneously registering brilliant performance on production, productivity and every other important front, Mrs. Mandal said, "I'm sure with the kind of leadership, passion and the sense of ownership RSP possesses, it will create even more new benchmarks in future." Emphasizing on the utmost importance of safety, the head of SAIL said, "There is absolutely no substitution for loss of life. We have to inculcate safety in our DNA and develop a culture. Safety has to be part of our every activity each day. RSP has to lead by setting an example for other units. Let's take a pledge that we will make the plant accident-free." Mrs. Mandal visited raw materials handling plant, coke ovens, blast furnace 5, steel melting shop 2, NSPCL, hot strip mill 2 and new plate mill, and took stock of the operations of different units. Earlier, the plant visit of the chairman commenced with a visit to the model room at the HRD Center. Notably, this is the first visit of Mrs. Mandal to Rourkela after assuming the responsibilities of SAIL chairman. On her arrival, she was given a warm welcome at the Rourkela airport by the CEO and other senior officers of the plant. A guard of honor was presented to her by the CISF unit of RSP. Later in the afternoon, Mrs. Mandal held discussions with representatives of trade unions, executive association and local industry leaders. She also attended a high-level meeting at the conference hall, Manthan, to review the performance of the plant on various key areas. The chairman SAIL will leave Rourkela on 3rd February 2021. Karamveer Award distribution function was held at Repair Shop Electrical of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant on 28th January. Mr. P.K. Das, GM in charge, RSE, presided over the function and handed over the awards to Mr. Pitambar Mahato, Senior Technician, Mr. Rajkishore Lenka, Senior Technician, Mr. Shankar Kumar De, Senior Technician, Mr. Ganpati Behra, Master Technician, and Mr. Bishnu Charan Das, Master Technician, for the month of July, August, September, October and November 2020 respectively. Present on the occasion were other senior officers and staff of the department. The awardees were awarded for their outstanding contributions towards achieving the objectives of the organization. The winners were felicitated with a certificate of appreciation and a trophy. The program was coordinated by Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Behra, Deputy Manager Personnel, CMGS and MPC. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.